Hey all, in today's episode we're going to attempt fixing the starter motor on the tractor. You might have seen in one of the earlier videos where the first time I started it up it just made click noises and stuff, and I ended up using a crescent to arc the two terminals together just to get it to start up. But anyway, we're going to jump on the tractor. I'll pull the starter motor off and attempt fixing it up. So I've managed to get it mounted off. I had to give it a bit of a sand or a hard rub with the end of this. Could have just done it with sandpaper or anything, or screwdriver, just to get the grime off it to get into there properly. But right there on the tip you can see that's the wire sticking up through the plate. Hopefully you can tell the difference. That's higher than that at least. And I've been heating that up. Now I'm going to heat that up to soften whatever solder might be in there and try and wiggle this upward. It's already come up a couple of mil. See the gap there? So I'm just about there, I think. Oh, that came up a bit more. See, got the gap. So close. So close. Even fastening that to something so I can pull on it a bit better, so the instant that it releases, everything is maximum. There we go, hopefully you saw that pop, and hopefully that didn't re-stick. There we go, that one there isn't re-sticking, so we've got that one. Now, see if we can do it to this one. Turn it in there, try and get the heat into it, use my thumb to lever it. There we go, pop, pop, we got it. This is quite warm though. And there we have all of that stuff. Okay. That's the two ends that I've been soldering that I didn't want to snap. Because if they snapped, then it would be quite a problem. I'd have to go even a deeper dive. Okay, so that looks like why it's not working. Next step, it'd be nice and convenient to be able to use the key. And then I'll be on to the next part. Okay, there we go. Pop that out. Let's see. Oh, it's still a bit big. I'm going to have to trim it a bit more. Okay, I think that's enough. There we go, got our packer, spacer. It's only making it like that much more. It's like a millimeter. Get it down. I can put it into place to make sure it's sitting down properly. It's going to be the better way to go. Give it a little push. There we go. Stick that in. Just be careful with that, you don't want to mess that up if you do this. Interesting, it kind of looks like one's worn down more than the other. I might just realign those back in the same place that they were, just in case the wear in them, or just in case there's a bit of shaping to them that's going to mismatch it all. Maybe it just needs the nut on it. But we'll put it back like that anyway. Put these back on. Tighten these up, and then we'll make the call whether it's taller or not. Could just be because it needs to be tightened down, not seated right, not quite seated flat. So okay, there we have it. Both back in, both got a packer under them. There we have it, both in, we've both got a packer under them. Next step. Oh, and you saw that as well. Why's the frame doing that? Stop it. So I've spun that there around, so use the good side. So now that will go in there. Clean that there up a bit, and pretty much ready to go together. Got a little mark there where that was, which kind of shows that it goes on that way, which is very, I imagine, is very important. And those wires there will come back up through there. I'll clean those holes out a bit before I try doing that, as well as the ends. Due to this one here is going through, that one there, but this one here is a bit fat to go back through, so I have to shape that up a bit. Hopefully you can see that wire sticking up there. And there. I'm just going to resolder that to those tabs and give it a test. Right, let's get these wires all on. Just tighten that up now. On the inside, as you should have seen, it's like a bolt anyway. It's pretty stuck in there. So I just tighten it and don't go hanging on it. Really excited to see if this is all sorted now. Turn the key and start cranking over. It should be good to roll now. Well, good to roll the engine over. Right, let's put the earth on. So I'll shift you up here so you can see me. Put the earth strap on. Don't want sparks going everywhere. We're leaving that on. And I'll take my handy dandy microphone to stop all the other noises. I'll stick it down here so you can hear. There. You can hear it engage, do its job. But you can see me just. So I'll put the microphone on here by the starter so you can hear it do its thing. Providing it does. The reveal. Yes. One more for good luck. Did you hear that? It's working. That's awesome. That's pretty cool, eh? Fixed the whole thing up. That was 3 trials. I'm sure you would have heard the engine starting to try to crank over, and then I'd stop and then did it again, That's a win.